This is a little clip that I think we ought to add into our list of things. It's using time to monitor a trade. And I made some notes here. And there are times when you may want to get out of a trade based on time or some events that are going to take place. And some of those times would be just before a news announcement. Maybe you say, well, I've got some profit, I'm going to get out because this thing is going to go haywire. And you don't want to be in the trade over the weekend, so you close it. It's not a matter you've reached any profit target, but the time caused you to want to get out of the trade. Now, another thing that I think that a lot of people need to be aware of is if they're doing a trade and it hasn't gone in their direction within whatever they feel comfortable with, 30, 60 minutes, close the trade. Small profit, small loss, just get out of it because it's probably not going to go in their way anyway. I like the trades where it takes off and breaks out and you got some quick pips and you just manage it quickly and then put the normal stop on. And then around the news time, the markets can move against you and then come right back in your favor. But unless you're really skilled at doing that, it's better just to get out of the trade many times, or else if you're way positive, the market can gap you out at your stop if you got your stop too close. And so when I trade the news, I wait time to enter the news. And I use the 5-minute, and sometimes I'm in the trade after 5 minutes, there's a good signal setting up. Sometimes it's 15, 30, 45 minutes before I'll even get into a trade, and so I enter the time of the trade based on time, but which when the signal sets up also. And now this takes a lot of discipline. You see those markets moving 80 pips up and 60 pips down all over the place until it settles down and gives you good signals. You need discipline to be able to trade those. And a lot of people need to just wait for the discipline part of it, get over the excitement of trading the news. In the beginning I used to get so excited about non-farm payroll, couldn't hardly contain myself. It'd take off, I was nervous, I couldn't even trade it. And then I got to where after losing a few times I just said, I'm not going to trade them anymore. So I set up my rules, wait at least 5 minutes before I'll even look at it. Sometimes I'm already there at the time it takes off, come back at 5 minutes, and then I just wait for the 5-minute signal to have me enter based on the direction of the trend on a larger time frame. So that's where I think we ought to put that in there as far as using time to monitor trades.